Today we will learn true facts about the electric variable voltage heating furnace. The electric variable voltage heating furnace is one of the few Clemson Mechanical Engineering heating furnaces used for a metal casting operation. Its main purpose is to get hot. Really, really hot. 1800 degrees Fahrenheit hot.
How hot is our furnace?
Oh, dude, it's so hot. She's smoking sexy. Oh,
Yeah.
man.
Would you say like 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit sexy?
Dude, it may be hotter than that, honestly.
We don't
Blows
know.
my mind every time I see her. Literally, I don't even want to tell you about how aroused I get, but it's pretty there. I'll tell you what, it's a turn on. I'll tell you what, I would wipe that thing up if I could.
Whoa there, Kyle. That might have been a little bit too far, but I'm okay with it. Don't worry, it's still safe to touch.
This
All
is the
touch
the back metal right there. Keep your finger on it. Finger on it.
Tell me when, partner.
Now
1,770.
touch again. Now touch the fire
Yeah,
brake.
it's bouncing around. I don't think it's getting any hotter.
The electric variable voltage heating furnace is named after its complex design and sophisticated research that went into its creation. Angle iron is the backbone used to house the beautiful fire brick structure. Since it looks like a brick oven, let it be known that pizza rolls can be cooked in under a minute. This test may have been performed at 3 a.m. The main heating source used within the electric variable voltage heating furnace is a Canthar coil from a dryer. So basically, when you spill marinara sauce on yourself from the aforementioned pizza rolls, you will use the same Canthar wiring to dry your clothes once you've washed it out. This is very similar to the circle of life, Hakuna Matata. The electric variable voltage heating furnace weighs roughly 15 pounds. That's roughly equal to 483 triple meat pizza rolls. This is equivalent to the average amount that Philip Gardner would normally consume in one sitting. Philip, would you say you have any leftovers for me?
No. Literally zero.
The electric variable voltage heating furnace has a nice yellow and orange glow when it reaches maximum temperature. The color is best described by looking at one of these stupid furry Teletubbies. Goodness gracious, that is one dementing creature. Well everyone, that is all the time I have today. I hope you learned some fun facts about the electric variable voltage heating furnace.